In this video, we are going to install OpenVPN in AWS. This is the AWS environment we set it up in the previous video. In this environment, in order to remote access to any of the private EC2 instance, firstly, we need to remote login to public EC2 instance. Then we can remote access to any of the EC2 instance inside of VPC. That solution works, but I can see this is additional steps. Also, we need to open port 3389 to the internet all the time. I don't think this is the best way to work on any of the public cloud environment. Instead of taking this approach, we deployed EC2 Instance and then installed OpenVPN service on top of that. In this situation, we can establish VPN connection like this, and also we can remote access to any of the EC2 instance like that. This is an easy and safe way to work on any of the public cloud environment. Before we install OpenVPN server, we need to set up security group to open the port. Based on the documentation, we need to open UDP 1194 and TCP 443. So let's put the information into the diagram. So port for the OpenVPN should be like this. And also we need to open port 22 to remote access to this EC2 instance to set up OpenVPN service. Like this. But this port temporarily I open. Once I set up the OpenVPN service, I'm going to close this port 22 for the security reason. Alright, so after that, we are going to set up public IP address to this EC2 instance. Let's clean up this diagram a bit. At this moment, we don't have the public IP address yet, but once we get the IP address, I update this information here. After that, we are going to register this IP address to root 53. Actually, I have the domain in the root 53, which is it's a max click link. So I'm going to register this IP address to OpenVPN max click link. So I show you how to do this later in this video. So let's do that.